When I get on here and just start something new and different before the year ends, I do have some goals I want to meet and take you guys along. So without further ado, let's go to the gym. I have been wanting to try these new energy drinks, so let's go ahead and try this one. Let's try this flavor. Okay, so it looks pretty promising. It smells pretty good. Oh my goodness, it's probably gonna be my favorite one of the year. Let's get to our workout. So this is my least favorite machine, but we did a 5-minute warm up and we burned about 55 calories in the level 8, so we're moving on. Now we're gonna go ahead and begin our running. I'm going to gradually increase the speed, and then we're probably going to be running at a speed about like 5. Okay, I'm finally finished. We ran 3 miles and it took me about 15 minutes. So let's go dress down and get going with the day. That was a pretty good workout. Let's go along with my day. We're currently inside my refrigerator. This is what I'm gonna have to eat. So I'm just gonna have a whole avocado and then 2 drumsticks, and that's it. I'm on this diet. I'm trying to be very careful about what I eat and just trying to eat more protein and more veggies. So here is the outfit. It's this purple shirt and then some casual black pants, and that should be it. Okay, so let's do my hair for work. I'm very simple when it comes to it. I don't do anything fancy. So I like to use any kind of lotion that I have and a hairbrush. Okay, I have it a little bit on my hand. I take a little bit and I slick back my hair. This is just a super nice, easy hairstyle because I'm always running around in work and doing everything. So this just keeps my hair together. And instead of damaging my hair, this is just more of a natural alternative I like to use. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one.